Hey everyone! Today we're taking a look at TurboTax, one of the most popular tax filing apps out there, and how it feels to use it for tax preparation, filing, and refund tracking. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by tax forms or unsure you're claiming everything you're eligible for, TurboTax aims to make the process smoother, more intuitive, and less stressful. And after using it, here's how it actually performs in real life. When you open the TurboTax app, the first thing you'll notice is how guiding and conversational it feels. Instead of dumping you straight into pages of forms, the app asks simple questions about your income, deductions, family situation, and expenses, all in everyday language. This step-by-step approach takes a lot of the guesswork out of filing, especially if you're new to taxes or it's been a while since you last filed. You don't need tax expertise. The app essentially walks you through the process like a tax expert sitting beside you. One of the biggest advantages of TurboTax is how it maximizes deductions and credits you might qualify for. As you answer questions, it checks for things like education credits, childcare deductions, mortgage interest, retirement contributions, and more, which can help you get a bigger refund or reduce what you owe. This personalized interview style is why many people feel confident they're not missing important breaks the tax code offers. Once you've completed all the questions, the app prepares your return and lets you file electronically, e-file, right from your phone. You can review your federal return and state returns separately, and TurboTax highlight potential errors, missing info, or mismatches before you submit. That reduces the anxiety of accidentally forgetting something that could delay your refund. Another handy feature is refund tracking. After you file, the app keeps you updated on your refund status with a clear progress tracker. Instead of logging into the IRS site or wondering what's happening, you get notifications when your return is received, processed, and sent to your bank. That transparency makes waiting less stressful. You always know where your refund stands. TurboTax also includes data security features like multi-factor login and encryption, which is important when you're handling sensitive financial information. It feels like a secure place to enter your personal and tax data rather than typing it into an unfamiliar portal. Of course, no tax app is perfect. The free version covers basic returns. But if you have more complex situations like self-employment income, investments, rental property, or itemized deductions, you might need to upgrade to a paid plan. For some users, the cost of those upgrades feels a bit high, but many people find it worth it for the time saved and peace of mind. Overall, TurboTax delivers a powerful, user-friendly tax filing experience. It takes you from confusing tax forms to a completed return with refund tracking, all in a guided flow that reduces stress and helps ensure you're claiming the things you deserve. If you want a smoother way to file taxes without doing it all manually, this app is worth checking out. If you found this review helpful, go ahead and like the video, subscribe for more honest app breakdowns, and comment below with the next tool or app you want me to review.